Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Okay folks, in this demo I just want to give you a really quick walkthrough of the members area at Internet Marketing Alphabet. Here it is, just created. What I will say folks is your logo will look different to the one up here. That's because this is like a placeholder logo that I've just created. The logo is actually with the designer at the moment. So if you're wondering why the logo here looks different to the one on the sales page and in your actual members area when you get there, it's just because of that. This is at the start of the product creation process, so this is like a placeholder. All right, so what's this product all about? Well, you're going to come in here and see the welcome video here, and there's an overview here of the entirety of the course. But what it essentially boils down to, it's a pretty straightforward product because you've got, after this introduction, 26 modules, one for every letter of the alphabet, and you will see that A is for, well, shall I let the cat out of the bag on this one? All right then, A is for autoresponder. That's the only one I'm going to tell you. You're going to have to pick this up to see what all of these other letters stand for. But they will all add up to a complete A to Z or A to Z, depending which country you're in, of internet and affiliate marketing. I'm not leaving any of the essentials out, so you can probably guess what some of them are, but obviously we're going to cover things like email marketing, traffic generation, list building, product creation, funnels. All of that is going to be covered in here, folks, and you will go with a complete understanding of what all the essentials are that you need in your business, and also stuff that perhaps you don't need. You know, people are trying to flog you stuff all the time, sell you stuff. A lot of the stuff you don't actually need. If it isn't in this A to Z, chances are it's irrelevant and it's not valuable to you. Yeah, so ignore what the guru said, concentrate on what I do. Obviously I'm someone that is earning now in excess of 15,000 a month online, so I sort of know a little bit what I'm doing. So if you stick with me and you follow the instructions in this course, or follow through the knowledge base of what you actually need to succeed in internet and affiliate marketing, you will not go far wrong. More resources will be in here. There'll be some more added as we go along. Conclusion, bonus upgrades, everything you'd expect to find in your members area. But it's a pretty straightforward course. Just work your way through the modules from A to Z, from A to Z, and you will have a complete understanding of all of the basics of internet and affiliate marketing for a really low price. So what I'm saying with this course is I'm trying to give it high ticket value for a low ticket price. I hope you'll agree, and I look forward to seeing you inside the real members area very shortly.
Hey, this is Rick at Daily Income Lab. Hey, by now you've seen how powerful and comprehensive the Internet Marketing Alphabet course is. It's probably one of the best that I've seen. If you'll click on the link below, you can get more details, reviews, and hear directly from the creator about what you're going to get, plus 5 pretty awesome bonuses that come with it. So I hope you'll take advantage of this. It's incredibly inexpensive for what you're getting. I mean, 26 video modules from one of the top 5 affiliate marketers in the world. You just can't beat it. So take a look.